Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you how to join anyone on Roblox without being friends. To do so, what you need to do is go to the Google Chrome tab and search for restore old Roblox server list Chrome, and now click it to the second option, chrome.google.com. After that, what you need to do is this restore old Roblox server list, adding to the extension of Google. So now click on use in Chrome and then click on add extension. So as you can see, this Roblox server list is added to the extension. So now go to the Roblox and then click on puzzle icon in the top right corner. And now you can see the select Roblox extension here, so click on it. In this window, what you have to do is click on auto search turned on, and now you just have to give the username of the player whom you want to play with but you're not friend with. Now for example, I'm choosing this player Azan, so I'm just copying the username. Now go back to the extension and paste your username there. After giving the username, you need to make sure that the player you pasted the username of, he's currently playing the game or not. So now go to the roblox.com and find the game which you want to play, as I'm searching Blocks Fruit. After clicking the game and then go scroll down, you will see the player is playing the game or not, and also it's going to detect in what server they are playing or not, and you will simply join their server from here. And this is how you can join anyone on Roblox without being friends. So if this video is really helpful to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.